iPhone 5 battery repair. To perform this repair, you will need 00 Phillips screwdriver, 5-point pentalobe screwdriver, spudger, suction cap, tweezers. Turn off your iPhone. Remove the two bottom screws next to the dock connector. Place a suction cup next to the home button and pull the glass assembly away from the back housing. Use spudger if you are having problems separating the front glass assembly from the back housing. The glass assembly is still connected to the iPhone by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws securing the metal cover to the motherboard. Use spudger to disconnect LCD, digitizer, and proximity flex cables. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws securing the metal battery bracket to the motherboard and remove it. Use spudger to disconnect the battery. Insert iSesamo on the left side of the battery and remove the battery. To reassemble your device, follow the steps in reverse order.